Here we are over in Stockport this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer. Nice easy one to start the day off. We've used a 12x12 galvanised bracket, a 3-foot mast and our own pole adapter. Wired a Cat 6 cable straight down along the top of his blue brick to blend in and in behind this little box down there. Customer was previously on Sky but was not receiving the speeds that he wanted, about 5 to 10 meg to be precise. We've showed up, installed our Starlink, assisted him with the activation. He is now receiving 300 megabytes plus per second. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.